What if I told you that the key to better muscle strength and sharper brain function might be hiding in your gut? It sounds far-fetched, but science is uncovering a fascinating truth. Your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes living in your digestive system, might influence far more than just digestion. From improving how you think and feel to enhancing your physical performance, your gut health could be a game changer. This exciting idea took center stage in the PROMOTE trial, a groundbreaking study exploring the connection between gut health, muscle function, and cognition. Let's break it down. The PROMOTE trial dives into an emerging concept in science. The gut microbiome doesn't just regulate digestion, it also influences both your muscles and brain. Here's how it works. The gut microbiome produces metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids, that influence key processes like inflammation and energy metabolism. It communicates with the brain via the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional pathway linking your gut and central nervous system. It even impacts neural pathways, affecting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, focus, and memory. This connection is so intricate that researchers have begun to ask, could altering the gut microbiome actually enhance both physical and mental performance? But what is the PROMOTE trial, and what did it do? Well, it was a randomized, controlled study designed to explore whether modulating the gut microbiome through diet, probiotics, or other interventions could improve muscle function and cognitive abilities. Participants were divided into two groups. One received interventions targeting their gut microbiome, while the other received a placebo. Interventions included dietary adjustments, like fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and prebiotics known to enhance gut health. Have you ever noticed a difference in how you feel, mentally or physically, after eating certain foods? Let us know in the comments. Over several weeks, researchers tracked two main outcomes. 1. Muscle function, measured through strength, endurance, and recovery tests. 2. Cognitive performance, assessed through tasks evaluating memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. The study was meticulously designed to uncover not just if the gut influences these areas, but how. The results of the PROMOTE trial were huge, revealing measurable improvements in both muscle strength and cognitive performance for participants who received microbiome-targeting interventions. If you're as fascinated by these findings as I am, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss more groundbreaking insights into health and performance. Let's first look at the results for muscle function. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and optimizing energy metabolism, both of which are vital for muscle performance. Participants in the intervention group showed significant increases in muscle strength, endurance, and recovery times compared to the placebo group. These improvements were attributed to metabolites produced by gut bacteria, such as butyrate, which reduce systemic inflammation and improve muscle recovery. For example, a participant who struggled with post-exercise fatigue reported faster recovery times and less soreness after incorporating gut-boosting foods like yogurt and fermented vegetables into their diet. The results for cognitive performance are as follows. The gut and brain are in constant communication via the gut-brain axis. This connection allows gut bacteria to influence neurotransmitters like serotonin, which affects mood and memory, and dopamine, which regulates motivation and focus. Participants in the study exhibited improvements in memory recall, attention spans, and reaction times. These benefits were linked to a healthier gut microbiome, producing key neurochemicals that enhance cognitive function. One participant described feeling more mentally alert and less distracted during work tasks after following the gut-targeted intervention. But how does the gut microbiome achieve these remarkable effects? Researchers identified three primary mechanisms. 1. Metabolite production. Gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These SCFAs reduce systemic inflammation, which is crucial for both muscle recovery and cognitive clarity. Support mitochondrial function, improving the energy efficiency of muscle cells. 2. Neurochemical influence. Certain gut bacteria produce precursors to neurotransmitters, such as GABA, helps regulate stress and anxiety. Serotonin affects mood, memory, and sleep. Dopamine enhances focus, motivation, and learning. This explains why gut health is often linked to mental well-being and cognitive sharpness. Did you know that your gut can influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine? If this is new to you, let us know with a wow in the comments. 3. Immune system modulation. A healthier gut microbiome fine-tunes the immune system, reducing chronic inflammation that can impair physical and mental performance. Chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions like sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and cognitive decline. While the PROMOTE trial's findings are promising, there are still challenges to address, such as the variability in individuals. Not all gut microbiome interventions work for everyone. Factors like genetics, diet, and pre-existing gut health significantly influence how individuals respond to treatments. For instance, someone with a diet low in fiber may not experience the same benefits from probiotics as someone already consuming a gut-friendly diet. But also, long-term effects. Long-term consequences of manipulating the microbiome are not yet fully understood, so there could be unintended side effects from over-reliance on supplements or extreme dietary changes. But despite these challenges, the study opens the door to exciting possibilities like personalized microbiome therapies. Tailored interventions based on individual gut profiles could one day address issues like muscle loss, cognitive decline, and mood disorders, and also preventative health care. Focusing on gut health might help stave off age-related conditions before they manifest. If you're inspired by the PROMOTE trial, here are some science-backed ways to nurture your gut microbiome for better physical and mental performance. 1. Eat fiber-rich foods. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables fuel beneficial gut bacteria, leading to increased SCFA production. 2. Incorporate fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are rich in probiotics. 3. Avoid overusing antibiotics. They can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. 4. Stay active. Regular exercise supports a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut bacteria, so prioritize relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Your gut microbiome is far more than a digestive assistant. It's a critical player in your overall health. As the PROMOTE trial revealed, improving your gut health could enhance muscle strength, cognitive function, and even mental well-being. This research represents a paradigm shift in how we approach fitness and health. Instead of focusing solely on external factors like exercise or diet, it emphasizes the importance of our internal ecosystem. As I covered in this video, muscle performance, recovery, and growth is deeply influenced by gut health. But did you know that certain vitamins play an equally big role in this? Watch this video I made about 5 vitamins that aid muscle performance, recovery, and growth. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge insights into wellness. And remember to stay happy and healthy.